Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, July 28th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we made it almost the end of the month. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. Check them out. Take advantage of the Prime fast shipping. And get this in no time. Here we go. Cut time right here. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. And what do we have here? Whoa. Oh, this is definitely useful. It is Bowling Tech Homever thick cotton oven mitts. Heat resistant, 500 degrees. Recycled cotton infill. Ooh, this is the good stuff right here. Bada boom. Got the glove. Oh yeah, not the OJ glove, but the glove. Man, oh man. Definitely excited. There we go. Cook anytime with these things. Oh, these are nice. Nicely stitched, nice design, nice color. Gray, black. Mr. Sacco. Fits perfect. And here's the other one. Hot tamale. Get your baking on. Oh. These are nice. These are like gloves, like for skiing almost. Do some briskets, barbecue. So YouTubers, check them out if you guys need stuff for your kitchen, accessories for your cooking. Really cool. It's like the fireman's suits. Boom, 500 degrees. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. You guys have a good weekend. Be safe. And hopefully see you back tomorrow. If not, someday soon. See ya. Oh, it's going to be hard to shut the phone off. Hold on one sec.